Hi dear students, this is our third review period, and in this presentation we are going to see what has to be written in the science classwork in the biology part. Okay, already we have split the classwork into two parts. One is science, one physical science, and the other one is biological science. So far we have written only in physical science part. So here now we are going to write the biological science part for the lesson, the fundamental unit of light. So let us see what has to be written in that part. The first Roman letter in the biological science part has to be written as differentiation between these all. Okay, so write down the name of the lesson and start to write the differentiation for each things which are given here. So how many differentiation has to be written? Write any three, that is more than enough. Okay, so write any three differentiation. If you know for some of the things given here, if you know, ma'am, I know 5 differentiation between that all, then write down all the 5. Okay, but what, refer your science book, how much you can differentiation can be written in that, you just write down. Okay, so if you know, for example, for mitosis and meiosis, if you find out only 3 differentiation, write down that 3 differentiation alone. Okay ma, so maximum write any 3 differentiation between that all, that is enough. Yeah, okay, so this is what the first Roman letter. So plant cell and animal cell, diffusion and osmosis, mitosis and meiosis, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, nucleus and nucleoid, cell wall and cell membrane, or else you can call that as plasma. And the last one is RER and SER. RER is nothing but rough endoplasmic reticulum, and SER is nothing but smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so write differentiation for these all in the classwork. Okay, then second Roman letter, draw a neat labeled diagram of an animal cell, a plant cell, a prokaryotic cell. So draw the diagram of these all by using the pen and label the parts properly. So while you are labeling the part, now all the parts has to be marked only on the right side. Okay, here and there you should not label the parts for the diagrams. Everything, all the parts has to be marked on the right hand side. Okay ma, then third Roman letter. So third Roman letter is nothing but question and answers. So questions are already there in your content book. So refer page number 67 to know the questions. So for what are the question you have to give right answer. You just find out answer for question number 4, question number 5, question number 6, 7, 8. So for all these 5 questions you have to find out the answer. So read out the content book once, only then it will be easy for you to find out the answer. Once you find out the answer, write all these answers for all these questions in the classwork itself ma. Okay, so what are the things you have to written in the biological science part for the lesson fundamental unit of life? You have to write the first Roman letter, which is nothing but differentiation for these all 7. Write down any 3 differentiation and draw the diagram of the 3 which is given: an animal cell, plant cell and prokaryotic cell. Label the parts properly. And the third Roman letter is question answers. So refer page number 67. In that, question number 4 to 8. Read out the question, find out the answer and write down. Okay, I hope you know the email ID to send these all, right, whichever you have written in the classwork. So the email ID is edustar.9@gmail.com. Everything will should be in a small letter, EDUSTAR, edustar in small letter dot NINE9@gmail.com. Send it properly ma, and draw the diagrams and everything and do it in a neat way. Okay, thank you children.